Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm Armor Cruz, your licensed real estate broker specializing in premium homes in Nuvali and the South. Today we're here in Avida Settings, Nuvali to feature this brand new modern home inside Avida Settings, which is one of the known communities that's very strict and very well maintained. This property sits in a lot area of 136 square meters in a floor area of 160 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, a carport that can fit 1 vehicle, and this property is just right across a park. Dito sa side na to, bago tayo pumasok or mag-ikot sa bahay, pakita ko lang na right across, this is an open park, open to everyone. As you can see, kung medyo natatanaw nyo, may playground dyan, may seesaw, you have a slide, you have a gazebo. This is actually open for everyone. And ang good news, it's not maintained by you. It's gonna be maintained by the community. And dito sa Avida Settings, it's really known to be well-maintained. It's very known to be very secure. So, talagang napakaganda ng location ng house na to. So, let's begin with the exterior tour of this property. As you can see, you don't have a gate in front, pero when I talk to the owner, they are open to put a gate once they have a ready buyer already. So, here on the left side of the property, as you enter, would be your provision for your landscape garden. Also here on this side, and nakita nyo meron na rin tayong cemented steps na adds the accent of the garden. Now, here in your carport, it can easily fit your one full-size SUV. And dito din sa carport natin is yung ating maid's room. Now, for our maid's room, you will notice na nandito siya sa labas, which is also advantageous kasi this can be used as a maid room or pwede rin siya maging storage. So, medyo maliit lang siya kasi nga, it depends on the one buying if they have a maid or gagawin nilang storage. Now, dito rin sa ating maid room would be a small toilet na may shower. So, it's actually fully functional naman siya. Now, let's continue exploring this side of the carport. Now, from your carport, you have an access to the service side of the property of the house. So, ito nakita yung glass door na to would be an entry going to the kitchen, and then you have a long counter with a sink and faucet, and you already have a ready faucet and electrical outlet and drain for your laundry. Now, dito rin sa likod, actually, you can add more landscaping sa part na to, and dito sa likod would be your patio. So this sliding glass door is an access going inside our dining area, which makes it an additional space to open up. You can put tables and chairs, living set or outdoor dining set para if you have guests, you can open it up para mas lalong maluwag yung moving space yun. So tapos na tayo dito sa exterior part. Let's go inside the house. Bago tayo pumasok, as you can see, you already have your tiled steps to your main door, and meron na rin siyang overhang. So kahit paano, it's gonna be protecting the door from the rain kasi yun yung nakakasira ng mga pinto natin. This is a solid wood door. Now, you can always have the option to convert this to a smart door lock. Now, as we enter, it's a very homey house. It's a very maaliwalas house. I really like it so much. Yung ceiling natin is WPC. I don't know if it's being seen sa video. Hindi siya gypsum board. Ang maganda with WPC, hindi siya inaanay, hindi siya nabubulok. So it's just like that for the long, bunas-bunas lang tayo. And then, as you can see, you have this snowflake design na center light. It's very nice. And you also have a big window here sa ating living area. And you have yung ready natin for our cable TV and also our internet dito sa side na to. It's quite a good space na rin, and really tamang-tama lang siya for the size of the house. Now, right across our living room would be dining area natin. So itong dining area natin, kanina I pointed out, here at the back, sa may patio natin is you have an access going to the back, and you can open it up so that you have a bigger space, especially if you're entertaining guests. What fits here, kasha po dito yung 6-seater or even an 8-seater dining table depending on the size. But you already have your center light here, which adds to the effect. Let me welcome to you the showcase kitchen or the indoor kitchen natin. All of these countertops are real granite. Even itong backsplash natin, napakaganda niya. Yung cabinets natin are really modular. Maganda yung pagkakagawa niya. You already have your Lagermania range hood, and you have your cooktop included in the sale. You have a beautiful retractable faucet here na may dual sink. I can just imagine. And then yung pwede kong gawin dito. And then yung center table natin, pwede kayo mag-chop dyan. And para sa mga coffee lovers, this is a coffee nook. So pwede kayo maglagay ng inyong coffee machine. Lagay nyo lahat ng mga coffee needs nyo dito. This is a very nice. You can actually design this and then pwede siyang gawing Instagrammable or parang photo-worthy na area. So this is a beautiful space, a good space. Actually, maluwag siya for an indoor kitchen kasi typically, most Filipinos, they just cook in the dirty kitchen or the outside kitchen. Pero for this one, the owner kasi likes to cook. So kaya pinaganda niya yung kusina niya. So dito rin sa ating ground floor, by the way, this is your space for your refrigerator. So siguro kasya dito yung single door ng refrigerator na mataba. Okay, so dito sa ating ground floor, we also have one bedroom and a common toilet and bath. So this is your common toilet and bath. Just the right space. You have your mirror there, you have your sink there, meron na rin shower, snish, and then meron na rin tayong exhaust. Yung ceiling natin, WPC pa rin. So long term siya. Right beside it would be the first bedroom of the house, which can be an entertainment space. It can be a library, it can be an office, depending on what you need. It already comes with your cabinets dito sa side na to. You just need to bring some of your belongings. So, dito rin po, naka-window type yung provision niya. So, akyat tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Dito we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. Before we proceed with our tour, let's just admire yung beautiful chandelier natin. Now, actually yung chandelier natin talagang tamang-tama lang siya dun sa design ng ating bahay. What I actually like beyond the chandelier would be yung floor to ceiling or yung mahaba nating window dyan that allows a lot of natural light to go inside sa ating staircase na not only brings light inside dito sa second floor but also dito sa ating ground floor. Napakaganda dahil nakakadagdag dun sa elegance ng ating bahay. Now, dito sa second floor, apart from the bedrooms, meron rin tayong family area. It's just a right space. You can actually put a small study here. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng mga books, pwede mag-library, pwede rin maglagay ng TV. You can make this into an entertainment area. Now, you also have a view of the outside. Kitang-kita nyo naman na napaka-well-maintained ng Avida setting. So, if you're the type who likes a beautiful community, who likes something that's very secured, Avida settings can be your best option, especially if you want to stay in the New Valley area. Now, dito sa second floor, we have a common toilet and bath. You have gray tiles sa ating walls and also gray tiles sa ating flooring. A shower partition or glass partition. A niche for your shampoo and soap, and then meron tayong shower. You have everything included already here. Meron ka pang exhaust. Now, you have 2 bedrooms on both sides, almost identical. Let me just show you the bedroom here on the right. It's not too big, just the right size. If you have a starting family, this is actually a good size. Kasya ang ating single bed. And ang maganda dito, you have a big size cabinet. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng cabinet. You can just bring your things. Pwede na dito. And then, naka-ready natin or yung butas for our window type aircon. And you have your electrical outlet there. Now, dito sa ating next bedroom, like what I said, it's identical in shape and size. Different lang ang position niya. Again, you have your flooring, you have your ceiling, you have your full-size cabinet. You have 2 windows and you have your window type aircon provision dito sa ating side na to. Now, let's go to our master's bedroom. Now, you have your sleeping area and meron ka na ring space or meron ka na ring cabinet for your TV and you have your shelves over there. You can put some of your collections or you have mga awards or mga photos ng family mo. Pwede kang magigilay ng bed dito. It's very spacious kasya ang king-size bed natin. Right across would be your semi-walk-in closet. Tama lang yung size na. You have a full cabinet here. Meron ka na ring dresser dito sa space na to. You have an overhead cabinet here. Right beside it would be your toilet and bath. What I like about the toilet and bath, pinaluwag niya. It's wider, so it's very spacious even dito sa ating shower area. Again, glass partition, you have your shower, you have your exhaust already included, and you have everything you need here sa ating toilet and bath. Let's go to the last part of master bedroom, which is yung ating balcony. So this is what I like about this house is because yung front mo, well, isang house na yung nasa unahan mo right now, pero right across it would be a pocket park. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this house behind me in the actual and go on a site visit and you actually experience yung beauty ni Avida Settings. Actually, we're here in the community park and the pocket park and it's very well maintained. Ang baba ng grass. So if you would like to see this and get a feel of how it is in Avida Settings Nuvali, well, I invite you to contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandyan din po yan sa ating description box and nandyan po yan sa ating comment section. Now, if you're still looking around and you would just like to get an updated text or updated message from me, you can join our Viber community. We post our upcoming listings and mga bago nating listings dyan. Now, if you are parang a little bit confused and you would like to get more guidance from me, get a consultation with me, we can go on a free discovery call. We can help you. It's a 30-minute call wherein we help you figure out what you are looking for in a property and hopefully we can find the match within our listings. Once again, this is Arman Cruz and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!